Welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. Today we have a bottom lash tutorial coming your way. And guess what? I'm the model for this one. Today we have Suzannah, one of our amazing lash educators based out of London, UK, and she's going to be demoing bottom lash services on me. And trust me when I say she is the queen. She's actually the educator who worked very closely with me on creating the bottom lash course as well as the maps for the bottom lash digital tools as well. All right, let's dive right into the good stuff, the service. The first thing we want to make sure of is that we never irritate the eyes, and sometimes we have to open them just a little bit, so I highly recommend you use Freshi product. Lay that on the side of your client's head so that it sucks the glue fumes away from the eyes and into the bottle. Our next mission is to create just a little separation between the upper and lower lash line. We're going to use our skin safe lash tape and create just a little separation. The goal here is just to be able to see the bottom lashes better, and it's so hard to see them without the step. So pull the upper eyelid up, but try not to open the eyes too much, and then the under eye area down. This makes such a big difference. On that note, it is so hard to do this service without opening the eye a little bit, but don't worry, it's okay if the eye opens just a touch as long as you're using the right glue. You're looking for a glue that has a gentle formula, but also super fast curing. Both Suzannah and I always opt for quickie adhesive for the services, so if you're looking for a glue, that's the one. Okay, so when it comes to application, there's a couple funky things that you'll want to know. One, your tweezer is quite literally going to be upside down. Like, look at this for a second and then think about how you normally as a lash artist hold your tweezers. It's completely upside down. So that takes a little retraining. It took me probably 2 or 3 services to really get the hang of it. It's all about playing with your angles and just doing whatever you need to in order to line the base of the extension up with the base of the natural lash. We do have a lot more visual tutorials within the bottom lash course if you want to dive into that and actually master those techniques, or if you're finding it hard on your own. But don't feel discouraged, you will get there. And I promise you the services are quite fast once you get the hang of them, even if it doesn't feel that way the first couple times that you try. There are a few things that will make bottom lash application so much easier for you. Number 1, straight curls go on so much easier and look way more natural. 2, you need bottom specific lash lengths. I'm talking down to 4mm lashes, and you want to pick up the lashes upside down. The good news is you don't have to hunt. We created a bottom lash specific tray that is exclusive to Lost Artistry and has all of these things factored in. Okay, that sums up today's video, but if you have any additional questions, just comment them below. I'm always happy to chat and look forward to seeing you in next week's free tutorial.